What's up, guys? It's June 26th, 2024. I got some good news, got some bad news. Went super sideways in the market today. That sucks. I got chopped up. I'm definitely taking a break from trading for just a week because next week is July 4th and I work on Fridays. I have class tomorrow and I work on Friday, so that leaves me with 3 days of trading next week. So I was like, you know what? Let me just take the day off because I'm finding it harder to shake off this 10K loss. I got trapped here. I got short here and didn't take profits. Got trapped. I got trapped here. I got trapped here. Trapped here. And then I was like, you know what? I need to just restart. So I'm gonna take a week off, restart. But I'm pretty excited for this week because I am gonna finish this blue book and put a ribbon on it because it has been going on for so long. Like 7 months. It's taken me over 7 months to finish this 15 chapters. So I'm gonna just sprint it the last week, which is this week, and then start posting because I want to get to the other books, and I have this idea of doing a series for market cycles and breakdowns, and I have a lot of ideas. I just got to get through one. I can't just start them all, or I'll get so confused. So with that being said, I am gonna try and post a trade breakdown of my 10K loss and my top 3 lessons learned because at the end of the day, I still made 10K that month. I just could not handle it. The car was driving way too fast. I just got like, you know what I'm saying? I just lost the plot. I never even made that much. I don't have that much in my bank account. And then I made that much trading. I lost it. It is what it is. I'm still happy I got there. I'm gonna get there again before the end of the year. I have a plan. I just gotta give myself time. Anyways, let's get into it. Freaking sideways day in the markets. EMAs are lining up. Buyers at lows, sellers at highs. TTR for 2 hours of the day. This is walk away situation. Gap down, or give me 2 seconds. Higher time frame. This is the daily. This is the 45 minute. Would it make more sense to have 45 minute and then daily because we read left to right, so smaller to bigger? I'm gonna flip that after the video though. Yeah. So daily, I thought we would kind of sell off. Looks like bulls are getting continuation. And yeah. Oh, whoa. Speaking of sell off, the market closes. The market just closed, but it stays open for like another 15 minutes. We said sell off and then bang. That's a double top at the high of the day. It's a nasty looking failure too. Bar 78. Still a range bound though. It didn't break below bar 70's low. Okay, so gap down. Bar 1 is a range bar. Bar 2. Bulls tried to go for the breakout and reversed at the 50% level. Bar 3. Bears still cannot make a new low. Bulls are buying 50% level. Bar 1. I actually got trapped here too. Bulls go for the 50% level here. They're buying the 50% level. Bar 1. This is a range. Bar 3 turns into a bull flag. There's a triangle. It breaks out and we go for a couple legs higher. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3. Breaking above the EMA, so we can say the market cycle resets. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3. Very bad legs. Bar 7 is almost an outside bar, but we don't trade one tick below bar 6, so all bear orders actually don't get trapped. If it was an outside bar, we would trap bears and reverse up, or vice versa, we would trap bulls and reverse down, and then outside bars are range bars. This is a bad breakout above the EMA. Not a lot of the bodies closing. This bar is looking like a better breakout because there's more body. But so there's more body above the EMA, but more tail within this candle. You see what I'm saying? So it's still not the best buy because of those reasons right there. Bar 8 was bad follow through for bar 7's breakout, and bar 7 was a bad breakout because we didn't close far above the EMA. Market does go sideways. Sell vacuum of bar 12. Testing bar 3's breakout. Bar 3 is a bad breakout signal for bar 4. So bar 4 broke out. This makes this a bad signal, and it gets tested with bar 12. And bulls get 2 legs, leg 1, pull back, leg 2. In range environments, be on the lookout for second leg traps because they're very common. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2. And you notice none of these legs are symmetrical. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2. TTR. Oh man. I ate a piece of chocolate earlier and I didn't realize that I had the wrapper on my desk. I was being a fat ass because I lost money today. uh, I only had one piece of chocolate. I don't actually like go out and stuff my face and do that, but it is kind of like why I had a piece of chocolate early in the morning. Okay, so we have a wedge bottom, leg one, pull back leg two. Oh, excuse me, leg one, pull back leg two, wedge bottom here, and it breaks out for two legs. Bar 22, bar 23 is breaking out above the EMA. Look, bad follow through again, pull back. We trap bears here. Bar 24 trades lower, so bears trying to short below these bars are getting trapped with, excuse me, not bar 24. Bar 25 is trading lower. And then the bears that get short right here have no chance of getting out until they short here. So they're trapped. They buy back shorts, and that adds to the breakout. This is a bad breakout. I see that now that this is a bad breakout. During the breakout, I was long and got trapped. I'm gonna try and be a little more like personal with my trades in these videos. When I started these videos, they were very robotic, but I kind of wanna, I want to tell you guys what I'm up to, so you know where I'm at. The whole point of this was to learn how to trade and document where I'm at. So I'm gonna trade into pieces. That's where I'm at. I'm gonna still say this was my best month. This was my best. This was my best month. I had my best month. I made 10K, and I had my worst week all in the same month because I lost the 10K. So yeah, I'm not gonna discount that I still made it. I just could not keep it. I could not hang on to the car was driving so fast. So, but I'm not. I'm definitely gonna get back in the driver's seat. I don't know how long it's gonna take. Breakout, climactic vibes, bad follow through with these bars. The reason I'm circling these bars is because there's tails. I thought it was gonna break out. Bar 37 looks like bears want to go for a tag of the EMA, but bar 36 traps them. If you watch this bar, it kind of raced up, makes it double top. The bulls that bought here buy more lower. They get out at this bar and they get a scalp on their original. So they get out at the original entry at break even and they get a scalp on their second entry. They enter here, they scalp here, and they get out at break even there. They make about 1 or 2 points. And then that's enough selling pressure for the market to go for two legs here. Leg one, pull back leg two. And within this pullback, there's a leg one, leg two. So leg one, pull back leg two. So leg one, pull back leg two for the bears, and then leg one, pull back leg two for the bulls. So it's what is the word for this? It was in the third chapter of the blue book. It's not fractal. It's not congested leg twos. Something within something. Leg one, leg two, leg one, leg two. Market goes into a tight trading range here. You look at the EOD candles. I don't really trade after bar 72 unless I'm winning and I'm in a trend. We have a lot of bullish price action. I think this is strong enough for a second leg. Bar 76 is a pullback. Trapping bears here that thought this was a double top. Everyone's getting trapped. It's not just bears. I think I have a bit of a bullish bias. I mean, bulls got trapped here. Bulls got trapped here. Bulls got trapped here. Bears get trapped here. Huge breakout. It doesn't look sustainable. That's a 15-point swing for the bulls. They're taking profits. Bulls sell out at highs. So there's more sellers at high. There's more selling pressure at the top of the range. There's more buying pressure at the bottom of the range. Slightly moving up, but nonetheless, it's TTR. You guys made money today. Really good job. This is becoming more of a challenge now that I've messed up on my accounts. I was rolling deep through accounts, all in profits, all in payouts. All my accounts were in payouts. I was just waiting. So I do have the trade Zella P&L. I know my account ends in a couple days or might have ended. I want to get that video out just so I can show you guys where I'm at, document it, and then I'm not going to pay for trade Zella till I'm live again because I'm not going to put fake trades in trade Zella. I also have on my P&L, and then it'll just add to the story if there's a gap month, because I think it might take me a month. I want to pass the challenges faster with Top Step, but I'm just trying to be cool because Top Step is a lot easier to get a payout. So I just want to walk it in, get one payout, get a win under my belt, and just start the momentum back up. Anyways, you guys have a good one. Drop some comments. Let me know what you guys are up to. Let me know how you guys did today. Today was a slaughter fest for everyone. Tough day. Hope you guys are doing okay. Excuse me. I appreciate all the support. I think you guys are learning something. Let me know if you guys aren't. Let me know if you guys can do something better. If I'm doing something, if I sound annoying, let me know what's up. I appreciate it. Have a good one, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.